Hello, my beautiful, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Then today, we starting the first training with Yulia after 2 months of break. So, Yulia, are you ready?
Of course.
Today we have shoulders workout with the back because yesterday Yulia was off and today the first workout. She already has her fitness program, her diet. She already started from this Monday and now we're gonna do proper second preparation. So this her actually off-season look. I want you to be bigger. So now you're gonna eat more. You ready?
What to do?
What to do? Okay, let's go. Shoulders, and after she will finish by back workout. So today like 1 hour proper upper body workout. Around 8 exercises will be there, and in the end we will do small abs. Let's go. This was only one set for the stretching, for the warm-up. And now she's going to increase till 5 kg. She will start on rises, lateral rises, shoulders press, and bend over lateral rises. She started to drink already up to 5 liter water per day. Normally she is also drinks a lot. Maybe because of this, she looks so good in her off-season time. But that good now will be not easy to gain because next month we're gonna gain. Every preparation for every girl are different because everything depends on current shape of the girl. We're gonna go hard. By the way, how was your off season? Can you tell me?
Yeah, very good.
Very good.
Yeah. No need to push yourself to eat, but now need to push. I'm always trying to find not easy way. Yeah.
What was your favorite cheat meal on your?
Окрошка.
It's like soup. It's like white soup. Very nice one, Russian one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, for me, the difficult part is to find my cheat meal. Because
Like, can I eat sushi?
yeah, really for me now is I have to have it. So really I need to understand because for me I don't like pasta, I don't like burger and pizza.
You will go mostly clean, by the way. Like,
Yeah.
it's okay. I'm gonna tell you when to cheat if you need to cheat. It's fine. Don't worry about this.
No, but
She's really loves salmon and stuff, like really healthy food.
yeah.
Here is the best food, even for cheat meals. I'm shocked, really.
So now this is really something which is I have to understand because we need to shock our body, no?
Yeah. Burgers and potato fries. That's it. Your second exercise, lateral raises. Shoulders has 3 different muscles which we need to pump it up. So already third exercise. Everything we do on repeat 15 times, 3 sets in each. Let's go. Once she will get like 12 kg shoulder press, then she gonna sit. So she gonna support her back. For now, it's only 5 kg. That's why she do standing one without support. Here is girls more important to keep her back very straight and chin up. To not destroy your back in this exercise. Once you're starting to use your back, then that's it. It's removing pressure from your shoulders. So back gonna work, but not shoulders. We need to pump shoulders up. That's all. Now we are going to do back exercise. We're gonna do some pull-ups. We're gonna do some lat pull down in machine, and we're gonna do one by one arm lat pull down. You ready? Let's. The second set we increase in weight. So now is 19 kg resistance. Elevate. You ready? And now our last exercise is lat pull down machine. By the way, my favorite machine. I don't know how come it became as the last exercise. You can start. Start. One. Yeah. Look a little bit up. Okay. Elbows on the side. One. So yeah. 3, 15. The last exercise, 8 exercise we done for today. With pretty heavy weight for her on the beginning. And now the last exercise, just crunches for the abs, and that's it, we're done. Now she's gonna go 6 times per week workout, 3 times per week cardio only. Perfect diet with 1 cheat meal per week. Still, she have it. And we are done. We finished first workout for the 3 months of preparation for the Venus competition in Venus gym. Yul, how was it? Everything is changing.
My pump and my arms are not working now.
Girls, thank you for watching. We're gonna see each other in 1 month after 4 weeks already, when Yulia will pass 4 weeks of her preparation. So we will see how she will change, right? For this time. Yep. And now posing is start already. Everything in. We going heavy. Put likes if you like it. Subscribe at my YouTube channel, and I'm gonna see you with Yulchik very
4 weeks.
soon.